Hello everyone! Moving to a new country can be challenging, especially if you're a student. That's why we're bringing this new series for you. Raeed here. I'm studying strategic entrepreneurship at Halmstad University. In this series, I'll talk about essential things you should do after moving to Sweden. In this episode, I'll give you step-by-step guide to get your personnummer. And I'm pretty sure I didn't pronounce it right. So from now, I'll just refer to as personal number. Before jumping into the step-by-step guide, let's talk about what is personal number and why do you need it. The personal identity number, also known as personnummer, is the Swedish national identification number that's widely used in Sweden to identify individuals. If you're studying a 2-year course, then you're eligible to apply for personal number. This 12-digit number unlocks endless possibilities. You can open your bank account, enroll to free Swedish course, get store discounts, borrow books from public library, apply for housing, and many more benefits. To apply for the personal number, you need your passport, registration certificate from university, rental agreement, and resident permit card. Go to your nearest Swedish tax agency, which is also known as Skatteverket, with all the required documents. Fill up the application form and submit the application with all the required documents. Skatteverket staffs are very helpful, so don't be shy to ask for help. You will get the personal number by post within 2 to 4 weeks after applying. And then you need to go to Skatteverket again to apply for the Swedish ID card. Book an appointment at Skatteverket to take picture for Swedish ID card. You need to pay a fee online for this. So if you don't have a credit card yet, don't worry. Just go to the nearest foreign exchange bank and pay the fee by cash there. And don't forget to collect the receipt. On the appointment day, go to Skatteverket with the payment receipt and required documents mentioned before. They will take your picture and signature and provide you a document with details which you need to bring to collect your Swedish ID card. It will take 2 to 3 weeks more to get the Swedish ID card after taking the photo. You will get a text message on your phone from Skatteverket to collect your Swedish ID card. So now you can use this magic card to do everything in Sweden. We will talk about other essential things to do after moving to Sweden in the next episode. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.